we want to be a billion-dollar company, and it's that thought which started galvanizing us into how can we accelerate our growth, and we got interested in what Rajesh and his acceleration program had to offer. One of the concerns most African entrepreneurs have is they are very skeptical. Initially, they find it difficult to buy the fact that their business needs a business consultant or a coach, because the general feeling is that Africa is different, family businesses are different, the needs of Africa are different, the whole experience of working in Africa is quite unique. And I think that was a journey which we had. All I can say is that the experience has been totally different, because Rajesh comes from an entrepreneurial background himself. He worked in the family business and then later on started a venture of his own in the field of healthcare, had a hospital of his own. One of the unique factors about him is that he understands how businesses operate from the inside. It's not a theoretical understanding of what businesses should be doing. It's not a consultant's perspective, it's a practitioner's insight. And I think if you ask me, that's something which is incredibly valuable, and it's something which is essential in working in an emerging market or a frontier market like Africa, whichever way you call it. Our history of working with Rajesh has been absolutely stellar. I'd like to talk about Rajesh's approach, or the way he works, the style, methodology. In my experience, most consultants focus a whole lot on strategy. And I think probably that has to do with the Western focus on strategy. And what I liked about the way Rajesh approached the project and his work was it was not a singular focus on strategy, but rather on the two building blocks of people and execution. In terms of people, we all know that that's one of the unique challenges of Africa and working in Africa. It's the type of people, the weak educational backgrounds, the myriad issues related to getting expats or foreign talent to come and work there. And I think where Rajesh was able to make a huge difference is using the same people, is using the mindsets which they had, and completely helping the organization and transforming them into a much more effective, productive and happy workforce. That also leads to the question of execution. And, as we know, execution is 9/10 of the story. You could have an excellent strategy, but if you can't execute, it doesn't mean much. And I think there I would like to mention about Rajesh, that on the execution part, what we had at the end of the program was a company which was happy, committed, aligned. Everybody was rowing towards the same direction. And in the end, we were getting business results, which were measurable improvement in business processes.